Hi, we're starting our intuitive sculpture classes. People often ask me, how did I do something? How did I do something? Well, that's an important thing how to do, but also the not less important is what to do, what to use in order to do this. Your hands and which movements do you use when you make something. If you have a very good technology and that shows you do like this and after that like this, but your hands are not trained to make smooth, exact or strong or slight movements, then you won't succeed even with the best plan. For example, how to make a simple cube. It's not that easy. Many people that come to me not really do not quickly succeed, not always succeed. So you have to, it's very easy. It looks like very easy. You push like this, hit the table, and it more or less turns into the cube. The piece of clay turns to be a cube. When I do it, it looks pretty simple, right? But if you start to do it yourself, then you will understand that actually the heating should be of a very precise direction and a very precise strength. Like if you would start doing like this, then you will get it not straight and not square. If you start to do it like this, then you will get it not square at all. You have to fix the right amount of strength, not too hard and not too weak, and you have to fix the straight angle, not a sharp angle, not such an angle, but really a straight 90 degrees angle. You don't have to measure the degrees, 90 degrees, but you have to somehow train your fingers and your hand to do it. What is important here? It's important what I'm doing. Maybe you can succeed some other way, but I will show my way. First, my arm lays on the table like this. My wrist is on the table. I'm moving just the palm of my hand. Second, I'm doing it, and I am trying, you see, I make 1 or 2 hits at every side, not more really, because if I do it more, then I will miss the point when it becomes rectangular. Just a couple, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 mostly, yeah. And then finally I will get to some kind of cube, you see? And here I succeeded even to make the angles, the edges sharp. Well, sometimes they don't turn sharp, so then I'll take 2 fingers and I sharpen them like this. And then I hit all 3 sides again, and here it's more or less straight. Okay, anyway, I don't want to make it exactly a cubic as if it was cut from steel or wood with a saw. I'm working with my hands and I'm working with a soft material, so it will be a little bit a little bit rounded and a little bit slanted, but I mean, the point is the overall shape is like this. And I feel it with my hands. I mean, I feel this movement with my hands. What can I do with such a cube? Okay, I will make a happy dice with it. You know, I take any kind of stick, and I am making a happy dice. Why is it happy? What do you think? Because it has only fifths, fives and sixths here. You see? And when you feel bad and you think that you have no luck in your life, then you just throw such a dice and you will get either some luck or a lot of luck, and it will make you feel a little bit better. You see? That's it for now. Thank you for your attention.